Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. So let's get started.
Today I'm making stir-fry asparagus with oyster mushrooms and black fungus. So let's review the ingredients. Here I have asparagus, oyster mushrooms, and this is black fungus, cloud ears, garlic, chili pepper, Shaoxing wine, fish sauce, sesame oil, oyster sauce, black pepper, and seasoning salt mix. And for the prep, let's start with the asparagus. Cut them all in half in a diagonal. And these asparagus has already been trimmed. You could just stack it, cut it. Okay, so that's done. For the oyster mushrooms, you can use your hand and just break them in half in those sections. And for the cloud ear black fungus, we'll cut them in half. Next, let's mince the garlic. Okay, that's done. We'll trim and seed the pepper. And if you like it spicier, leave the seeds in. Okay, so all the prep is done. Let's start cooking. Okay, so we're going to begin with parboiling the asparagus. We're going to give the asparagus a quick blanch. Let the water come back up to a quick boil. So once the water has come up to a boil, turn the heat off. We'll remove the asparagus. So I've poured out the water, give it a quick dry out here. Set the pan at a medium-high heat. We'll add oil. Put in the garlic and chili peppers. Give this a quick stir. We'll add the asparagus. Toss, add the mushrooms, add a bit of sesame oil, seasoning salt mix, black pepper, then toss. Add the oyster sauce. Add it with the fish sauce, Shaoxing wine. Give this a good toss. Okay, so this is done. Turn off the heat. Let's plate this. And here we have a delicious plate of stir-fry asparagus with oyster mushrooms and black fungus. This quick and simple vegetable dish is healthy and delicious. Enjoy!
Okay, so let's see if Shadow likes it. Oh, she loves eating her vegetables. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Good girl.